Welcome back! Today we will going to discuss the last two chapters of Code of Ethics. First we have chapter 6, which is all about counselor education, training and supervision. Counselors responsible for counselor education, training and supervision adhere to current guidelines and standards with respect to such activities and conduct themselves in a manner consistent in this code and standard of practice. Thus, counselor educators and trainers possess the necessary qualifications, skills and competencies to conduct counselor education and training programs. Chapter 6 also discusses the description of education and training programs and conduct program orientation and ethical orientation. Counselors inform the supervisors about the process of supervision expectations, outcomes, monitoring, and evaluation in order to provide competent counseling services. In terms of evaluation, counselor educators and trainers ensure a fair, accurate, and honest appraisal of students, supervisees, and trainees. With regards to the contribution of students to research, counselors give credit to students and supervisees for their contribution in scholarly projects in the field of guidance and counseling. Last statement on Chapter 6 is about the rights of the counselor. It is stated that rehabilitation services should be available for counselors under stress. The last chapter of Code of Ethics is about research and publication. In planning any research activity dealing with human subject, the counselor must observe principle and standard. Meanwhile, all research subjects must be informed of the purpose except if withholding information. Also, participation on identified research must be on voluntarily basis. Counselors are responsible for the welfare of the subjects throughout the research and must take all precautions to avoid causing injury in terms of physical, psychological, or social effects on their subject. Included also in the last chapter of Code of Ethics is about the joint authorship, confidentiality, professional value, acknowledgement, replication, and review of materials submitted.